Good morning, habari za asubuhi. Leo tupo kwenye somo letu linahusiana na mambo ya research. Tunataka tuangalie kidogo introduction, what is research. Kwa ufupi, research can be defined as is an honest scientific investigation undertaken for the purpose of discovering new facts or establishing new relationship among facts already known, which will contribute to the present body of knowledge and can lead to an effective solution of existing problem. Sometimes we can say that tunafanya tafiti in order to solve a certain problem. We collect data, we analyze them, therefore we come out with the solution of a certain problem within our society. Sasa kama tumeshapata ufahamu kidogo nini maana ya research, nini maana ya utafiti, therefore nadhani mpaka hapo tutakuwa tumeelewana. Tumeangalia maana ya utafiti, what is a research, and then tumeangalia nani wanaohitaji huo utafiti. What is the purpose of research? Nataka kidogo tuangalie purpose ya kufanya research. Kwa nini tunafanya research? Kwa nini tunafanya utafiti? We are doing research purposely in order to finding answers to the questions or solution to problem. Tunafanya tafiti ili tuweze kupata majibu ya maswali fulani au kupata utatuzi wa changamoto fulani. Another reason, discovering and interpreting new facts. Tunataka kupata new facts, therefore we are doing research. Another one is testing theories to revise accepted theories or laws in the light of new facts. Another one, we are doing research in order to formulating new theory. That's our end of my lesson this morning. Don't miss to subscribe my channel, Research and Information. I need your support. Good morning.